Have you ever colored outside the lines and needed to fix it? The Tombow correction tape is a great tool to help you fix coloring outside the lines like I did here with this bear. I'm going to be using two products to help me clean up the coloring. I'm going to be using the Tombow Mono Air Correction Tape, and I'm also going to be using the Tombow Mono Sand Eraser. Both of these tools are going to help me get a really nice white paper around my stamped image and hide the coloring that went outside the lines. So I'm applying the correction tape down onto the areas where the coloring has bled outside the black lines. Now this is going to look bad at first and it's going to look pretty messy, but once we've gotten the tape applied down, don't worry about getting it on any of your coloring or stamped images. I'm going to take that sand eraser and start sanding off the areas of the correction tape that I don't want it to be applied to. I'm also going to be carefully going around the outer edges of the correction tape area and just feathering that tape into the paper itself. And that sand eraser is sanding it down so that way we get a really nice bright white crisp area around the area of the coloring that you had originally messed up on. So as you can see, that correction tape fades into the paper really nicely. This is bright white Neenah Solar White cardstock, and you can see that you can hardly tell that the correction tape was applied there. I hope that this quick tip is helpful in making sure that you can go ahead and clean up any mistakes that you might make on your next projects. Be sure to visit us at simonshassstamped.com for more crafty inspiration.